Understanding Wi-Fi Hotspot easily. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore what a Wi-Fi hotspot means. Whether you're at a cafe, airport, or a library, you've likely heard this term. Let's break it down together and make sure that next time you hear it, you'll know exactly what it's all about. Stay tuned to master this modern phrase. Before we dive into the term Wi-Fi hotspot, it's essential to understand what Wi-Fi is. Wi-Fi is a wireless technology that devices use to exchange data or connect to the internet without a physical connection. It uses radio waves to provide high-speed internet and network connections. Now, let's talk about what a hotspot means. In the simplest terms, a hotspot is a physical location where people can access the internet, usually using Wi-Fi, through a wireless local area network, WLAN, with a router connected to an internet service provider. Combining the two, a Wi-Fi hotspot is a specific area where you can connect your devices, like smartphones or laptops, to the internet using Wi-Fi. These spots can be found in public places or can be set up personally. They are particularly useful in areas where you do not have your own internet connection. Wi-Fi hotspots come in different forms. 1. Public hotspots, offered by businesses like coffee shops, hotels, or libraries for free or for a fee. 2. Mobile hotspots. Your smartphone can act as a hotspot by sharing its mobile data with other devices. 3. Portable hotspots. Small devices that connect to mobile networks and provide a Wi-Fi signal to which other devices can connect. Using a Wi-Fi hotspot is quite simple. 1. Find a Wi-Fi hotspot and move within its range. 2. On your device, open the Wi-Fi settings and look for the hotspot's network name, SSID. 3. Select the network and, if required, enter the password to connect. While Wi-Fi hotspots are convenient, they can also pose security risks. Here are some tips to stay safe. Use trusted hotspot providers. Avoid conducting sensitive transactions, like online banking, on public Wi-Fi. Use VPN, virtual private network, services for enhanced security. And there you have it, folks. Understanding what a Wi-Fi hotspot is and how it works can help you stay connected while on the move. We hope this video has been informative and helped clarify any doubts. Stay curious and keep learning. Catch you in the next video.